Learning traffic signs is vital for road safety, as they provide essential instructions and warnings, guiding drivers to navigate and interact with traffic rules effectively, reducing the risk of accidents and promoting orderly traffic flow. Mastering 100 traffic signs enhances overall road awareness and contributes to creating a safer driving environment for everyone. Stop. Yield ahead. No entry. Speed limit 30. No U-turn. One way. Straight ahead only. Keep right. Keep left. Merge. Roundabout. Traffic signal ahead. Pedestrian crossing. School zone. School crossing. Watch for children. Playground. Crosswalk. Do not pass. Shared lane. Bicycle lane. Lane ends. Merge right. Merge left. Divided highway. Slippery when wet. Road narrows. Construction zone. Detour. Road work ahead. Flagman ahead. No motorcycles. Stop ahead. Yield ahead. Intersection ahead. T-intersection. Winding road. Right turn only. Left turn only. No right turn. No left turn. No turns. No overtaking. No passing zone. Two-way traffic. No horns. No idling. No parking. No stopping. Ferry. Toll booth. No trucks. No bicycles. No pedestrians. Bridge height limit. Historic marker. No smoking. No cell phones. No food or drink. No littering. No trespassing. Do not block intersection. Keep off median. Stop for school bus. Handicap parking. Speed hump. Airport. Road closed. Dead end. Do not overtake. Keep clear. No outlet. Hospital. Fire station. Police station. Gas station. Rest area. Food services. Lodging. Hospital ahead. Emergency vehicles only. Sharp turn. Tow-away zone. Watch for animals. Low clearance. Railroad crossing. Scenic route. Deer crossing. Falling rocks. Steep hill. Slippery road. Flood area. Crosswind. Sharp curve. School bus stop ahead. Downhill grade. Lane ends, merge left. Lane ends, merge right. Two-way traffic. Parking. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillien.